Can a severely damaged TV still be repaired? Today, let's take a look at a 65-inch LCD TV. See this spot on the lower left corner? Severely damaged. Can it still be repaired in this condition? How will it look after being fixed? Let's find out. This is a full-screen TV. It wasn't cheap when bought, definitely a high-end model. Now, let's place the TV screen down. Start unscrewing. First, let's check the model number 65 or 8. It's a 65-inch. This TV has only been around a few years. Such severe screen damage. It's definitely not a quality issue. It's all due to human impact. The manufacturer won't cover this under warranty. After removing the back cover, let's first look at its internal structure. Such a large TV. Here's the main board, a large heatsink on the main board, and here is the logic board. From the logic board, you can tell it's an LG screen. And here's the power board. This TV has a total of 3 power boards. Here's the LED strip output socket. This is the switch transformer. Here's its speaker. Such a large speaker. Imagine. The sound quality of this TV is pretty good. Next, we need to remove the lower bezel. Peel off all these tapes. After peeling off, check what model the edge board is. After peeling the tape, let's look. This white sticker shows the model number. Let's take a close look, LC650. It's a 65-inch. Next, we need to turn the TV screen up. Then remove the lower bezel. Once the lower bezel is off, we can remove the damaged screen. With such severe screen damage, the light guide plate inside is almost certainly broken too. Do we need to replace the light guide plate? Not necessarily. Sometimes it can be perfectly repaired without replacing. There's another metal plate down here. Let's remove this metal plate. After that, the next step is to remove the screen. The edges are held with double-sided tape. We need to use a plastic sheet to slide along the screen edges to remove the damaged screen. Be very careful when removing it. Don't push the plastic sheet too deep inside. Otherwise, it might get the light guide plate dirty. This TV has double-sided tape on 3 sides. Once all the tape is cut, we can remove the screen. Be very careful when lifting the screen, since it's already broken. Avoid injuring yourself. Set it aside. Now, let's check the original light guide plate. See how badly it's damaged. We need to keep disassembling the light guide plate. Remove the plastic frame around it. The screen fragments. Gently wipe them aside. Then continue with the frame. Be careful when removing the frame. After removing the frame, we lift up the light guide sheet. After lifting it up, we can see the original light guide plate. See that? As expected, it is indeed broken, and it's severely damaged. In this case, do we have to replace the light guide plate? Actually, it's not necessary. Next, we'll show you a method to repair it perfectly without replacing the light guide plate. You can repair it perfectly. Remove the light guide plate and set it aside. Now we flatten the damaged area. Then we just need a bottle of 502 glue. Apply it along the damaged cracks. Once applied, it can be perfectly repaired. Let's give it a try. After applying, we need to wait a moment. Then we wipe off the excess glue. After cleaning, we reassemble it. Power it on to test. The backlight is already on. See that? Looking at the backlight, you can barely tell where it was damaged. Next, we'll install the screen. After installation, let's check the picture quality. Let's see if it's noticeable. Before installing the screen, be sure to apply double-sided tape. Alright, here's how it looks with the screen installed. Let's take a look. We'll focus on the light guide plate, the damaged area. See that? If you don't look closely, you can't even tell. Now let's take a look from a distance. See that? The overall picture quality is excellent. Clear image and vibrant colors. Perfect repair. So here's the question. In this case, how much do you think should be charged? Feel free to leave a comment below.